To upload a long video on Facebook Stories, ensure both your Facebook and Messenger apps are updated to the latest versions. Once updated, access Facebook and tap Create Story, selecting the desired video. Though note that Facebook Stories typically only permit videos up to 1 minute in length. Alternatively, open Messenger, tap Stories, then the camera icon, and select the video from your gallery. Unlike Facebook Stories, Messenger allows longer videos. After selecting, trim the video if necessary, then tap Done and add story to upload to your Facebook story. Following these steps will enable you to successfully upload a longer video to your Facebook story. If this tutorial proved helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching,